Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to create a survey in Monday.com 2025. If you're using Monday.com for project management, you'll love how its versatile features let you build custom surveys to gather feedback effortlessly. Whether you're a team leader collecting team insights or a marketer polling customers, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and click on Create in the top right corner. This will open up a world of options. Select Board as your starting point since surveys often work best within a structured board. Next, choose a template or start from scratch. For surveys, I recommend the Feedback or Survey template if available in 2025's updated interface. Now, let's add your survey elements. Click on the plus icon to add columns. These will be your questions. For example, use a status column for multiple choice questions or a text column for open-ended responses. Don't forget to customize. Add descriptions, set up dependencies, and even automate notifications for new submissions. Once your survey is set up, share it easily. Generate a link from the board settings and send it via email or embed it on your website. Monday.com's 2025 updates might include AI-powered analysis, so keep an eye out for that to automatically summarize responses. Finally, monitor your results in real time on the board. You can filter, sort, and visualize data with charts to make informed decisions. There you have it. That's how to create a survey in Monday.com. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's make your workflows smarter together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.